Emily, and today we're gonna do a cook and clean with me video because my kitchen is a hot mess, and I want to share with you a few of my favorite recipes. We're gonna be making roasted rosemary potatoes, so good, a little buttery. Also baked tilapia and broccoli, asparagus, and Brussels sprouts stir fry. So it's so good. And in the meantime, I'm gonna be cooking and cleaning because that's how I like to clean while I cook. I clean while I cook, so that way it doesn't pile up and it's not a hot mess, and at the end of the day I don't want to clean anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now let's get started with the video. Alrighty, so guys, I already peeled and cut the potatoes into french fry wedges, and right now what I'm doing is just cleaning up a little bit the countertop because I cannot do anything with a dirty and messy and cluttered countertop. So I'm just cleaning it up, and then what I'm gonna do is just season the potatoes really quickly. This recipe is so good and so delicious and so quick to make. So let's start seasoning the potatoes. I added about 2 teaspoons each of salt and pepper. You can season it to taste. I'm mixing it well with my hands, that way each potato is seasoned nicely. I'm also adding 3 tablespoons of melted butter on top of it. You can use olive oil if you want, or avocado oil. We're mixing it. I have here about 8 to 9 Idaho potatoes. So I added my rosemary leaves, and now we're gonna bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Just setting up my oven. Now I am back into cleaning. With my fish, I'm using basa fish. I'm just cutting up a little bit of white onions and green bell peppers, and I'm making my sauce. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of honey. This is like a honey Dijon sauce, and about 3 tablespoons of mustard, yellow mustard, regular yellow mustard. Now I'm mixing everything up, and I'm using this panera bread Thai chili sauce. It's so good. You have to try it. Right now I'm just cutting my basa fish in half, and I'm adding it into water with lemon juice. That way the lemon takes off like that fishy taste and smell out of the fish. And after that I'm just gonna wash or clean the fish. I'm gonna rinse it a little bit, and then we are ready to season our delicious basa fish.
And I need to lose control, so baby put the record on. Baby put the record on. Hit it, and I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby put the record.
I'm placing my basa fish into my baking dish, one by one, and I'm just adding lemon juice or lime juice. And now I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper to taste, of course. Now we're gonna add that delicious Thai chili sauce from Panera Bread brand. Just a tablespoon on each side or each fish fillet. And now guys, we are adding our honey Dijon mustard or honey mustard sauce on top of the fish. This is gonna taste so good. And now we're gonna add our white onions and green bell peppers. If you have red bell peppers, even better, nice and colorful and delicious. And we are, oh, I almost forgot to add my garlic powder. So I'm just adding a teaspoon of each basa fish fillet, mixing it well. And now guys, we are ready to put this in the oven. How good does this look? We're gonna cook this at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come.
The last dish for the day is my delicious broccoli, asparagus, and Brussels sprouts stir fry. I'm just cutting up the broccoli stems and just using the florets I'm just gonna rinse or clean it a little bit with water, put it back into my pan, and now I'm working on the Brussels sprouts. Next is the asparagus. I'm not really a fan of asparagus, to be honest with you, but I know it's good for you, so I just try to eat it. And now I'm just gonna clean it again. I'm just gonna rinse it with water, put it back into my pan. All those greens, it just makes you feel good that you're eating good. Now I am just gonna mince a lot of garlic. I love garlic, so this is like a garlic stir fry. I added about 10 to 20 garlic cloves, and I'm adding avocado oil. I'm adding about a tablespoon and a half, and I'm also adding butter. So you can just, you know, pour a little bit of butter on top, and now we're ready to cook this. I cook this about 10 to 15 minutes on medium high, and you want to just mix in between the 10 minutes, that way it doesn't burn. I am back into cleaning, guys. Broccoli and vegetables, I'm seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. And then I'm just gonna mix very well and let it cook for another 8 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna mix the potatoes a little bit, and it's practically done. It's nice and soft, so all I have to do is just bump up the temperature to broil or 475 degrees. That way the potatoes can have some color. Now after 30 minutes of cooking my basa fish, it is done. It's so good, it's juicy and it's delicious. I'm just gonna take out my basa fish out of the oven because I don't want it to dry, and just continue cooking the potatoes until it's done. Now we're ready to serve and to eat. So here's my baked honey mustard basa fish, and then of course our broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and asparagus garlic stir fry. Came out so good. And last but not least, our delicious baked rosemary potatoes. I served it with ketchup because, you know, potatoes, french fries, ketchup, so good. There you go. After I was done eating and enjoying my delicious lunch, is back to cleaning, the last cleaning session of the day. Well, until dinner, of course.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
I want to show you this product, Puracy. It's an all multi-surface cleaner. So I'm cleaning my floors with that, and it is plant-based, it's chemical-free, and it smells so good. I bought like a kit. It has like the laundry detergent. It also has stain remover. I'm gonna leave the link down below on my description box if you guys want to purchase, because I totally recommend it. And now guys, I am done. I feel so free, and I'm ready to spend time with my kids and my family.